Hey guys, this has got to be one of the most popular things that I've ever talked about, and so I'm just going to do a video dedicated directly to this. But I just planted thousands of bulbs in my beds right out here and around the food forest and the property. And something that I battle with a lot in my gardens is voles. And so I have this handy trick that I use. It's called a mole repellent. It's basically like an anti-vole ball. And so I've got, I think, 10 of them in here, and I put them out in my gardens, and they smell strongly of peppermint. So strong, in fact, that there's like a latex smell. And it's all natural. It's just that smell that repels the voles. And so you don't have to worry about chemicals. You don't have to worry about those beeps that from those beeping devices. You don't have to worry about those traps and killing them. You're basically just keeping them away with smell. So I've got 5 in here. I have an affiliate link down below, and honestly, even if I wasn't affiliated, it's really just an Amazon affiliate link. So it's not like I'm affiliated with these guys. This is the one that I use. This is the one I use. I love it. It works really, really well. And if you want to support the homestead, use the link below to get it. But I've tried a couple of ones, and this is my favorite by far. So they're just these little white balls, and I put them in the garden, and it keeps the voles away. I've got my baby in my sweater because it's a little bit chilly. It's not super cold, but it is going to snow in the next couple days. And so I wanted to get these down now before the snow came, so that they're under the snow, because voles like to tunnel underneath the snow and in mulch. They come in these little packets. They're not candy. They look like candy, but they're not. And they are, I just opened it. They smell very strongly. Whew! Wow. I always forget when I open these how strong they are. But I mean, it does a good job, and it keeps the voles away. And the smell kind of seeps into the ground, and they end up, like, it doesn't make your garden smell bad forever. There is like a week or two where you can smell it. You walk by and you're like, what's that smell? But it's not so bad. But it is going into the soil, and so that's what keeps the voles away. And I like to mulch, and I know voles are especially attracted to mulch. And I would rather put these down once every 2 or 3 months than have to be weeding all the time because I didn't put the mulch down. And also the mulch protects your soil, and it keeps the moisture in. And so there's so much more benefit to having the mulch down using these rather than just not mulching at all. And my garden is right next to a little rock wall here. And so this rock wall provides like the perfect haven for the voles to hide in as well. And so it's in a very attractive area for them. And I want all these bulbs that I planted to pop up in the spring. I spent a lot of money, spent a lot of time planting these, and I have a lot of high hopes. So these balls are going to get us through the winter and get us into a spring with lots and lots of flowers waiting for us. So I use all of them because I really think that I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I use them all each time, and I just order another one every 2 or 3 months. And that's how easy it is. Okay, so I was looking at the ingredients, and it's peppermint and garlic. That's the smell that you get. And that's what's keeping the voles away. And it'll literally just drive them out. And so you can use this in your yard. You can use it wherever. I put 4 on each side. It came with 8. And each ball covers 100 square feet. So I do not have that much garden out here that I use them in. I just kind of overcompensate because I've really struggled with voles in the past. I'm not pushing it. I'm going to play it safe than more safe than sorry. So that's what I do, and it is incredible. I love this. I haven't had anything bothering my plants since I've put them in. And honestly, I used to be able to just sit here and look at my garden and I'd see plants wiggling, and then sometimes they'd just they'd disappear into the ground, or they'd wiggle and they'd wiggle, and then they'd stop, and I'd go over and I'd look at them and I'd pull them up, and the entire root system or bulb or whatever it was that they were chewing on would be gone. It would just be a stalk sticking in a hole then. And you can tell that you have voles because there's going to be little holes all over your garden sticking out. And moles are not bad. Moles are not going to hurt your vegetables at all. They may uproot them a little bit, but they're not going to eat them. And they make these little mounds around your area. But voles are pretty lazy, and they like to come in and kind of take over the mole tunnels. And they also like to use mulch as a protective cover from predators. And so they love mulch. They love mole holes. So if you have mole mounds or holes, you probably have voles as well. But these have really, like, I've tried everything, and this has been the thing that's worked. I literally, if you go back in my inventory of videos, I have dozens of videos about me trying to battle voles in my garden, and this has been the thing that actually works. This, and then redoing my entire garden with hardware cloth underneath the garden beds. That's the other thing that worked, and this is so much easier. So yes, I'll link those below. Click on it, get it. It's awesome. You won't regret it. It's amazing. And that's all it was. I just tossed them basically in the general vicinity of where I wanted them to go, so that the entire area would be kind of enclosed with them. I put one in each corner of my square one here. I put one on each corner of my L-shaped one over there. And it was, and it's been working really, really well. So get the vole stuff. Here it is. I'll link it below. If you use our link, it helps my channel so much. It doesn't actually affect you at all. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I'm coming in, sweetie. I'll also link these lights because I love them so much. They just add the perfect fairy touch to the garden, and I'm a big lover of making things magical and beautiful. So anyway, this is not a sales pitch. This is I finally found the thing that I needed to keep the voles away. Thank God. If you've been watching me for the past few years, you know I've been searching and searching and searching. So this is such a big deal. So anyway, yes, it's sales because I want you to go get it, and I want you to use my affiliate link. But yes, but no, I'm not doing this video just so that you'll buy something. I'm doing it because I think that this is awesome. Anyway, have a wonderful day and stay blessed.